Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan GTR versus the Kawasaki Ninja H2. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these machines truly special, from their incredible power outputs to their groundbreaking engineering. Get ready to explore the thrilling world of high-performance vehicles and motorcycles, understanding how they deliver exhilarating experiences in very different ways. We'll cover everything from their top speeds to their unique design elements. When it comes to raw performance, both the Nissan GTR and the Kawasaki Ninja H2 are absolute beasts. The GTR, with its twin-turbo V6 engine, produces over 600 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. Meanwhile, the supercharged Ninja H2, weighing significantly less, delivers over 200 horsepower, offering breathtaking acceleration. These machines are engineered for extreme speed and precision, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The design philosophies of these two titans are quite distinct. The Nissan GTR is a marvel of automotive engineering, featuring a robust all-wheel drive system and a sleek, aerodynamic body designed for stability at high speeds. Its interior offers a refined, driver-focused cockpit. In contrast, the Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a pure superbike, built around a lightweight trellis frame and a powerful, in-house developed supercharger, emphasizing aggressive styling and a single-rider experience. While both are performance icons, their intended uses diverge significantly. The Nissan GTR is a versatile sports car, capable of thrilling track performance yet comfortable enough for daily commutes and road trips. It offers a blend of luxury and raw power. The Kawasaki Ninja H2, however, is a specialized superbike, designed for demanding riders seeking an unparalleled, adrenaline-fueled experience on the track. It's about pure speed and an intimate connection with the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.